Yo, what is good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, we have another SB19 vlogs, no? We saw Alliance City. That's the title of the vlog. So talaga lagi lang ilalagay yung "so", no? Sa title ng mga vlog nila ngayon during simula at wakas. But yeah, most probably this still part of their world tour, Alliance City. Is that on Singapore? Diba? Like, there's a lion yung nagbubugang ng tubig. Forgot anong tawag doon. But yeah, I mean, I assume this in Singapore? Maybe? Well, yeah, I mean, I'm really excited with this, man. Another SB19 vlog. Every time that they're gonna release a vlog, you know, it's a great day, man. We just basically chill with our boys with this vlog, and let's get it. What did I say? Kala mo talaga sobrang ano, no? Sobrang galing ng doon na sa title. We saw Alliance City, so andun na yung clue mismo. But yeah, I'm just happy na hulaan ko Singapore yun.
We're here. Nandito na kami sa Singapore. What is that?
No one always right.
Can you check?
You're feeling right.
What is that?
Go ahead.
Is that a gold coin?
It's a gold foil.
Gold foil. Okay.
It's a gold foil. Gold. It's a gold.
Namatay naman yung ilaw kung kailan binuksan nila.
Nasa kabila pala yung drive nito, no?
Ng kotse.
So look you, sir.
Yeah.
Welcome to Singapore.
Thank you. Yung vibe ng Singapore, parang magbabakasyon lang ako. Ganun yung nafe-feel ko ngayon. Parang hindi ako magkakonsum.
Sana all. Magbabakasyon.
Malamig ba? Feeling ko, yung lamig lang sa loob ng ano na katawan. Bakit tayo naman kayo pa ng aeroplano?
Dusit Tani.
Sa Laguna.
Sa Laguna. Naunahan ako ni Justin doon. Laguna lang pala ito eh. Laguna, Singapore. Oh, embassy visit. Embassy ng Pilipinas. Rizal. Kulintang. Machi-machi sila ni si Stel tsaka si Josh. Si Ken pala. Si Josh nga. Welcome, SB19.
Embassy, this is for all of us. Medyo masikip yung embassy. We are okay. So anyway, welcome to Singapore. We are happy that it is a sold out concert. It's
As expected.
something that we are proud of. I'm not from your generation, but everyone else, all Filipinos are proud of you.
Yeah.
And everyone practically.
I mean, SB19 is for all generation naman, no? I feel like naparaming 18 naman na na mga nanay na, or yung mga lola nga di ba? Nagko-comment nga kayo na lola na ako, ganyan, ganito. So I feel like SB19 is for all generation, no? As long as you love music, and you have a, good taste in music, of course. I mean, magustuhan mo yung SB19.
Even my mother, she knows SB19.
Yeah,
So,
I mean,
alam niya yung mga kwan, sabi nila magaling yung magrupong yun. But again, it's not just your generation, but it's not just your the Filipinos are proud of you. Practically the whole of ASEAN, the whole of Southeast Asia is proud of you. As one of the contributions to art and culture.
Yep.
Maganda po yung sinabi niyo yung parang angle. Actually, parang before po kasi medyo hindi namin alam para sasabihin na Southeast Asian, parang lagi siya mas inaano po namin yung front po yung Filipino. Hindi po namin alam na may reception din po pala yung Southeast Asian countries na gano'n. So, check po namin yung ganong angles din po for trying to
Yep.
promote.
And not just Southeast Asia. Happy and proud,
You make us proud.
Pinoy pride. Pinoy proud.
Kung ikaw ay magiging isang bayani,
Ikaw ay masaya.
nakita niyo yung trailer ni Manuel L. Quezon? Ganda.
Opo.
Pati yung scoring, ang galing, no? Anong kanta yun?
Parang bago lang ata
Bulit
yung
Dumas.
Manuel Quezon.
Bulit Dumas.
Puro up din with Jose Rizal. Hey!
Harap po.
Thank you po.
Parang nag-endorse no?
Kuya. Kuya.
Kuya Rizal.
Close kayo.
Almost all Singapore, they have their own business.
So dito pala galing yung nila. Kaya sumay kita natin yung mga... Kasi TikTok mo sila dito di ba? Yung sa may layon, naliligo nga si kunyari naliligo si Pablo, di ba?
Ano sa po ba ang pag-put up ng business dito?
MediaCon. Hey! The lighting though.
Juicy kami. Kasi nag-reman Singapore.
Kung ano yung ma-confirm natin doon,
You can get...
yung media na magtatanong. So parang
Mukha ba silang nanonood?
Hindi, baka may side kasi gano'n, doon sa gitna.
Sim-sim lang yan pag ganyan.
what's your best experience in CSC?
I don't remember anything.
Yeah?
They showed me all the videos.
Ito, yung
Acting.
binigay niya ako sa UST.
Yung inamoy niya yung deodorant, tapos namatay siya. Kinain mo yun, ba kinain mo?
Elementary pa yun.
Ano ba yung sa CSB?
Commercial ako ng
SB19 in Singapore!
Busy-busy nila, no?
Josh! Pablo! Stel!
And
And Ken!
Medyo napiyok pa yung announcer doon. Hey. Shooting for the stars again. Every time na lumalabag sila sa isang bansa, no, like, they have to attend a lot of interview, man. No? A lot of interview. Nakapagod yun, no? Aside from just performing, just performing their world tour. Hindi lang yun eh. Sobrang dami lang pinupuntahan. Kaya sobrang nakapagod talaga yan, man. After mo mag-perform, punta ka sa mga interview na to, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos parang they only have like a little time to explore the country. I assume after this, like after all of this interview, all of this responsibility na they have to work on sa trabaho nila, kasatan maybe na may kita natin yung part na naglilibot sila. I mean, that's usually the structure of their vlogs, diba? Like, they're going to go to this country, they have to do these shows, this interview, then there's a little bit of time for them to, explore. So, kapagod yun, no? Parang, kung ako yun, parang mamimili na lang ako na after ko bang gawin yung trabaho, mag-explore ba ako? Magkapahinga muna ako, no?
Gosh, hindi pala nag-record yung kanina. Buset. It's a vlog.
Ilagay din yung video niya. Inulit na naman niya, ganun.
Isang building, we're in 24th floor yung floor ng zone. And this is our second day here in Singapore. Wala kaming free day.
Yun lang.
Okay, bye-bye.
Sony, wow.
It's my second time here. Oh, we have our...
Sony Music, Singapore.
Yeah, you guys.
Nga. Oo nga, no?
Yeah. We'll get the media set up.
Did you change that today?
No, here. Yeah, one of our important artists. You've been here since
Alright.
day one, since we moved it. Yeah.
Wow, thank you so much.
SZA, Kid Leroy, sino sa pangin na to?
Grabe, no? Nalagay yung nakahilera yung SB19 kila Kid Leroy.
Tsaka, sumama mo ng sisig, tsaka konting bilis lang.
Okay, sorry natin.
Pwede rin yung pogi yung umano sa amin.
Hindi ako narinig.
Pogi din.
Ayos na ba yun?
Narinig ko rin doon lang.
Jobs Colin.
Wala ka nang ibang makikita dyan.
Nag-aalam pa sa rep niyan. Kape. Hop, hop. Nakakabuka yung mga ganyan, no? Hindi mo alam kung matatapon eh. Pero laging sakto. Ooh. Init. Tung, tung, tung. Tung, tung, tung. Tung, tung, tung. Tuk, 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 tuk. Tung, tung. The beat though, man. They did a series of interviews again. Another day, another interview, right? And more interviews. And more interviews. And more interviews. Another host, man. Another interviewer. You're gonna change the set up the sofas. Oh. That's another interview again. Ganun ba? Nope. Hey. Yung mga nag-interview pa sa kanila is mga parang sikat na like personalidad or interviewer talaga sa Singapore. Kasi parang ganoon yung ginagawa ng mga celebrity sa sa Hollywood every time that they promote their movies. Parang may mga kung sino yung mga gusto mag-interview, like for example, I don't know if you guys know this YouTuber. I mean sikat na YouTuber siya, pero I guess marami sa Pilipinas hindi siya kilala. Si Jacksepticeye. He's a YouTube content creator, a YouTuber. Yung mga content niya is mostly gaming and commentary while gaming. Pero may mga times na nag-interview siya ng mga artista during pag nag-promote siya like Spider-Man, ano pa ba? Jumanji. So parang gano'n, di ba? Parang ayun ba, open for interview. So yung mga nag-interview ba sa kanila is like mga gano'n. Dito na sila mag-busking.
No, so welcome to our Singapore office, also our Asian regional office. I wanted maybe to ask you guys to yeah, so one by one, everyone, this is SB19.
SB19.
This is Josh.
Go Josh!
Josh is the most charismatic member
Most charismatic.
of the group, and this is Justin.
Hey. Well-behaved son ng Valenzuela. Ano daw, BBB?
This is Pablo. He's the leader. And that is like the bad boy.
The bad boy?
And you like bad boys. And this is Stel.
Ang boss mas dito, friends.
This is our
Ah, man. I don't know about that. They butcher the the introduction. Pero ayos din, no?
management team. That means these are all the big bosses of Sony Music Asia.
Hey.
We actually wanted to surprise you.
Ooh.
Yes, surprise! This
Surprise.
Year, to commemorate
Wow.
150 million streams across all DSP platforms.
Wow, man. 150 million streams, man. Simula to kasi very successful project to.
This is for Simula to Pass, your fastest your fastest streaming EP. Yeah.
Fastest streaming EP. Okay.
Congratulations and
So, natalo nila ang pagtatag. Ganon. I feel like pagtatag yung... I mean, makes sense. Kasi pagtatag yung pinaka-last nila eh. So, basically, nung wala pa yung Simula at Wakas, pagtatag yung pinaka-latest, right? But it makes sense. I mean, you know, Simula at Wakas, paano mo ihigitan yung sagad na, di ba? They did. Okay.
shall we take a photo? Yes. Across your career, you've actually streamed over 1.5 billion streams. So that is another thing we wanted to
Wow. Wow.
1.5 billion career streams.
1.5 billion streams throughout their career. About 1.5, by the way, billion streams. Wow, man. Meron nga akong, ano ba tawag dito? Basta, I mean, minsan parang naaano tayo sa kung gaano kalaki yung 1 billion eh. No? Sa 1 million, ano yung diferensya? Sobrang laki. Diba? Pag narinig mo kasi yung, milyonaryo or bilyonaryo, pares lang yan, mayaman. Pero, men, the difference between billion and million is sobrang haba, men. Sobrang layo. Kung alam nyo lang. I mean, alam ko alam nyo lang. Pero minsan parang di natin na-realize kung gaano siya kalaki. No? Pag narinig, 1 billion, nice. So, pag narinig 1 billion, nice. Pero parang, ewan ko sa inyo, pero feeling ko kasi pag sa akin, minsan parang, parehas lang. So, maraming views, nice. Or, maraming nag-streams, okay. Pero, recently, I just realized na grabe yung diferensya ng 1 million sa 1 billion. Men, yung 1 million, parang ano lang, 100 views kung kukumpara mo sa billion. Parang, basta. Grabe yung diferensya.
Here and 1, 2, 3.
I mean, me getting like how many views do I have throughout this channel? Sa aking channel. I have almost 2 million views in my channel throughout the, like 5 years? Na nag-YouTube ako, I have to 1,000 videos sa YouTube ko. And I get like almost 2 million views. And then ang hirap i-explain kung gaano kalaki and kalayo yung 1.5 billion. God.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, turntable pa.
Wala nang music. That's a good way. Second time here. Umis ka po siya sa mga usapan.
Oo, sabi ko nga sana, ba't siya kasama? Media Corp 987 FM. So they have another interview to a radio station.
Radio station live to manood kayo sana, pero pag in-upload to wala na napanood din kami sa sana na yung show.
Group
Ano?
picture lang po tayo. After ng group picture, we'll go there. We'll go on air. Game na po. Okay. Game na.
Are you guys going to Dubai as well?
Yeah.
Justin!
I thought I'm not recording. I actually got scared for a little bit there. I thought I'm not recording. What the hell? So I am recording. Fuck me, man. What?
Sarap nito talaga.
I thought I'm not recording. Akala ko sobrang excited lang ako manood. Hindi ko na press yung record eh.
Pineapple biscuit. At hindi mo pa rin nakagat. Nihintay yung reaction mo eh. You're nothing. But a second.
Ang palok yan na may biscuit.
Sister Lea? We're going to leave everyone over there. They'll be filming their content.
Gusto niya makatulog gamit to.
Ice gems. Meron mo ba ng tindahan eh? Mabili tayo ng asawa ko. Ano yan?
I don't know.
Ano yan? Ginagawa nila? Palaliman daw ng...
It's like you when you're sleeping.
Yeah, it's just like me when I'm snoring.
Okay, next one. Is this who's the lowest?
Lowest note you can sing.
Ah, okay. Lowest note.
Wala naman. Okay? That's my lowest. That's my lowest, sorry. No, yun yung lowest mo. Paano mo nagre-reklamo?
Okay.
Okay! Sorry kung napaka ko yung low.
Hello.
Nababahing siya.
Nababahing.
Nababahing siya.
Lowest note. Mababa na siya, diba?
Nagko mo naman ang tunog.
Ginagawa ko.
Gusto ko ulitin nyo sa akin?
Competitive. Nakaisip ng bagong technique. Wala na, panalo na to eh. Panalo na to eh. Matik eh.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's enough. Okay.
Hello everyone, so we're here at 987 Media Core. What's this? News.
Galang bumungad sa atin yung mukha ni ano, Ken.
So we're here.
Oo.
987.
Biglang bungad eh, di ba? After nento.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's enough. Okay.
Hello everyone, so we're here at 987
Biglang bungad eh, no?
Media Core. What's this? News station.
News station?
Here for an interview. And
Another
so
interview,
far,
man.
so
Another interview, man. Wala katapusan.
That's it.
That's it.
And there's a lot of people in here. It's kind of a bit noisy. It's
Ginagawan siya ng meme nung ano, no? Nagka-camera.
kind of a bit like chaotic in here. But that's what makes us SB19. Yeah, and we got the ring light, we got some microphones in there, we got some computers, and we got some headphones. We got cameras.
Russian second seed Ekaterina Alexandrova beat
Okay, start now.
defending champion Linda Noskova 7-6, 4-6, 6-2 at the Australian Open on Thursday.
Defend.
Alexandrova plays in the semifinals of the US Open.
Defending.
Alexandrova 14th in the world ranking started the decider brightly with
Ah.
highly contested.
For obstacle, but for racing. Are they talking about the Duncan special?
That's well check the score and the Russian team.
Yep. I want some coffee again. No, katatapos lang ng coffee.
Esmer. Ano pong meaning na yun?
So you want to listen to some
Asmer.
audio?
Audio.
Meaning ng ASMR.
Audio.
Oo nga, no? Ano bang meaning ng ASMR?
Audio sensation.
Sensation?
Mechanic radio.
Okay. So, radio station na pa yung ASMR yan.
Ano pong meaning ng ASMR?
Asosasyon ng sambayan na...
Okay, this other video is an ASMR video.
Rumapang.
Rumafang? Rumafang. F na F. Oh, they're doing this. Dude. Pag may ganun pa talaga si Josh sa likod eh. Hinahype yung hinahype yung ASMR. Di ba? Hinahype pa din yung ASMR. Elegant lang. Ito ka naman.
Dapat dumaan ako dito.
Okay ba? Post na yun.
Bye-bye. See you guys. Have a good dinner.
Content shoot naman, right? I guess, oh yeah, this is the TikTok. Eh, kasi yung suot na yun sa TikTok eh.
Wala laman yan.
Tung, 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 tung,
Passport. ATM. Cellphone.
tung, tung. Bidet, no?
Bidet.
Wow.
Bidet. Pwede
Fashion. I mean,
Pero this one's Autry. Pero same branding sila. Parang worn out.
I know, in our
Norm
I mean,
core.
people don't get golden goose kasi parang sabi
Hey, this one. Hey, the drip, no? Stop briefing them is what's going on to happen. Okay. They're going to...
Okay na daw.
Oh, talaga? Oh man, we have to watch that, man. Surprise. Ah, okay. It's just a content. Alright. Di ko ba nakapanood to? Dude. Di mo to gusto. One more time. Amin, matitigas na buto na itong SB19 na to eh, no? Wala na sa kanila yun, pero...
Hi, Stan!
There is.
Cheetah King.
No, it's really, I can't.
Haven.
Is that you? Yes, that's me.
Haven.
Tama ba lahat?
Meron kami na rin po yung lahat. 8 yung ilan ako nasa
real talent.
Sige.
Hindi na nakasayaw si Ken.
Boys, break time ba muna?
Ay.
Recess o ano? SB boys?
Jo.
SB!
Naka-LSB?
Isa lang.
Hindi kasi maano yung recipe niyan eh.
Ay.
Angas talaga na itong mga uwak mo.
Uwak.
Uwak din ba sa Tagalog?
Oh, dali.
Mga katakat na...
Ito, decline.
Mine is declining so I can't do that.
Maangas?
Space card will never decline.
Ah, man.
Oh,
Let's go.
Kaso nag-decline na to eh.
Chunji.
Ayan. Hindi pa natutulog yan.
Meron pala siyang ano? Ano ba yan? Peklat ba yan? Dito sa bandang ano niya? Peklat ba to? Guys? Ito oh. No. Peklat to eh, no? Hindi ko na napansin. Tsaka ito rin, peklat din to. All natural.
Hindi pa natutulog yan.
Ganda naman dyan, no? Di ba lang basta, mas mataas ang basta. Wait, I'm capping.
Lunch.
Lunch o lunch?
Macau.
Ano to, no? Tawag dito? Flashback nung anong nila? Ito dito. Yung show break nila, hindi sila pinakain.
Try.
Guys, go na.
Ano yan, tofu?
May I put? Malinis ang aming chop.
Tofu ba yun?
Ja,
Hindi. Karne.
no.
Nice.
Try.
Guys, go na. May I put? Malinis ang aming chopstick.
Konti lang, Miss Ross.
Whatever color you can do the back.
Ayun pala, tea.
Akala ko, di ko ako.
Akala ko, self-serve pala.
Sama?
Yes, I want some, get some tea. What
I want some, get some, no later.
What the song is all about. So, bukas after ng show.
Again, guys, if they serve you 2 chopsticks, the outside one or the black one, serve
Evil one.
as the serving chopstick. So you use it to get the food, and then this one you use it to eat.
Ah, talaga?
Earlier, that you don't see anything.
Yes. Masarap to.
The more you know. So yung black yung kukuha mo ng ulam, no? And then, sipang
If you
kain.
turn the wheel,
Lazy Susan.
the Lazy Susan, you must turn it. Hirap naman.
Ano? Don't change
Uy.
the station.
Tapon pa.
Tumapon tuloy.
Ano yan? Lumpia sariwa?
Tama na ang video-video. See? It's a vase.
Wow. Very creative. Well, still, eating is another part of their vlog, no? Another part of, his personal vlog. Kung sa kanya mismo nag-vlog, no? What is that? What the hell is that? Is that coconut? Nice, man. Huwag naman nun. Meron naman palang stress. Sabi ko parang hirap naman atang inumin ng ganun. What are we doing here? So, kailangan talaga kakain. Every single fucking time, man. Kakain. Wow, what's that? Anong oras na ba? Oras na ba para kumain? It's 12. That's the reason why. It's 12 p.m. now. Some dumpling. It's dependent walk daw. Ang bilis ng giling eh.
Isang kaalaman, bakit naging successful ang Singapore? Kasi dahil nasa, para tayo medyo similar sa Philippines. Nasa ano sila yung parang shipment, port. Doon talaga lumaganap ang ano nila. Parang tinake advantage nila ang trading sa
Pagkalakal.
entire world. napapili sila yung economy dito. Sila ang point country when it comes to logistics. Yung napakabilis. At
Another kaalaman, no?
pwede din sa Philippines yun. Pero
Yeah.
napakagaling ng dito nila, future proofing sa lahat. At kahit para siyang maliit na country, parang city nga lang siya. Pero makikita mo kung gaano siya
Improve.
progressive at kayaman ang economy. Second highest GDP ata to.
Talaga?
Diba? Grabe. Nerd stuff.
Nerd.
Stuff by Josh Collins.
Ay, isingi pa daw. Hiro, no? Hiro, no? Hiro, no?
Zero na ba dito?
Wow!
Hero.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you.
Hiro, no?
From the artist itself. Amazing. Justin, yes, his name is so cute.
Justin's, right?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Another one, 1, 2, 3.
Herself with Aruma.
We met before, right? Yeah.
We met Aruma again on the vlog. I mean, not on the vlog. Sa ano pala yun, no? Video ni Boy. Interview with Boy. Ano daw? Ba't sinapak yung sarili? Ba't sinasapak yung dibdib? Sinasapak? Ano tinatapik naman? Nakampas?
Yeah, no, not using the key.
Okay, silent K. So it's...
Are they going to perform the MAPA Indonesian version? Tinakabsado pa rin nila yan eh, no? Pronunciation. Nice, man. I mean, they're still trying to perfect the pronunciation. I mean, most of the artists, if they already did that, like they already recorded the song, hindi nila sila mag-effort pa na, you know, perfect palalo. Kasi, I mean, they already did the recording. They have the song, no? So, it's up to you guys to listen to it. Parang ganon, di ba? Pero sila, I mean, it's SB19, so what do you expect? They want perfection.
But it's okay. Chawater is okay.
We want to be Indonesian
Lala.
so bad.
It's okay.
Keychain 2, 3, 4.
Ano to? Parang ano? Rehearsal nga. So they're gonna perform Indonesian version of Mama. Mapa? Mama? Mapa. Man, just realized na patapos itong vlog nila pero they never actually have a free time, no? What the hell? Just pure work. Pure work. And our pure boy here. Nice. Very nice.
Wala sayang percaya.
Busking and another work, no? Another activity they have to do.
Saging ba saging? Baba mo lang yan.
Sagi.
Nako, patay tayo dyan.
Hindi ka na feel uncomfortable parang pag nakaangat yung pants mo.
Ako nagubad.
Feel ko pa, para kasi akong nasa lifeline.
Or wala po. If wala, okay na to.
Okay ka naman.
Sige, okay na po.
Kailan ka lang natuto magpapahanap po?
High school pa ako, gito na ako mag-pants. Pakita ng
Baston pad mo dati.
Baston yung pants.
Kaya nga.
Baston, man. Come on. Sino nakalala nagpapabaston ng pants?
Nakababa? Angas mo naman.
High school pa lang ako, gano'n ako mag-date.
Pasok ka ba?
Para akong sinasakal sa tiyan.
Kasi naman higit ka ng higit pag malalaglag na.
Para pagtatai siya, upo na lang.
Diretso na, no?
Ayun agad. Grabe yung OA naman. Nakapatong na nakaganon.
Oo nga, no?
Yung school uniform na ano, yung sa amin kasi brown, ay ano, khaki, beige siya, tapos dito,
Yung pants nila.
tapos pa ganun.
Oh, Jones, kohi ka ha.
Oh, shit. Dami ng tao. Hey. Let's go, man. Jeez. Dami tao, no? Hey. Buti narinig pa nila yung music dyan, no? Oh. Just like that, it all finished, no? Where's the Pablo? Ayun, there you go. Ba't ba ako gumaganon, no? Kala ko naman silip ko talaga.
Jones, pinagkakaguluhan ka, Jones! Konti alis. Yes, kami Josh.
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba gagawin?
Master, apa naman natin?
Ano ko gano'n mas?
Gumaya sa akin.
Agawan base po,
Gumaya sa akin. Last step. Ikaw mo masukat.
Ano ba gagawin?
Boom. And then...
Bigat na sapatos ko.
Laing nga ng sapatos niya, ano? Hey! Ano ba siya nag-ano? TikTok. Okay. Photo shoot. Okay. Oh, man. Okay. Well, that is, again, SB19 vlogs, no? We saw Alliance City. Man, throughout that vlog, no? I mean, I feel like hindi natin sila nakitaan ng pahinga, no? Or like, just them, you know, magliwaliw sa Singapore. They have to do like shows, busking, interview, and another interview, and another interview, and another interview. And then, yung onting oras sila, they have to do a content, like TikToks, and those things, no? I mean, siguro yung pinaka-onting time nila is for photoshoot for them, you know, for them to post. At still, for those the social media content, no? And for their social media, but, man, are mahalima na walang pagod, no? Nakapagod yun, man. Nakapagod yun. I feel like ako kailangan ko ng oras, no? na parang off yung katawan ko, then I have to turn on again to work. But sila parang tuloy-tuloy. But yeah, I mean, that is our reaction for today. SB19 Vlogs as usual. Just chilling with our boys, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. No? See you on the next vlog or video. Peace.